Good morning, class. Chapter the sentence already we have started and it's going to over. Okay, so in light class we have discussed that the noun part and verb part. We have discussed that, like one sentence I'm writing. The children are playing. Now, you see here the part before the verb is known as noun part, means noun and pronoun, isn't? Two part of a sentence we have to make clarification here, and then the verb part. Clear? That we have discussed that a sentence, the important thing of a sentence, it's two parts, that is noun part and the verb part, is it? And the noun part always will get the noun or the pronoun. Clear? But a verb part always starts with a verb, and this noun part is known as subject. This noun part is known as subject, and this verb part is known as predicate. Clear? Subject means the noun part and verb part is the predicate. This subject part or noun part is actually the person or thing being talked about. Is it the person or thing being talked about? Here you see what the subject is talked about the children. About the children the subject is talking, and the verb part, you see, it is actually the heart of the sentence. Without a verb we know that it cannot be possible. So it is actually what is being done by the subject, what is being talked and what is being done by the subject. The what is being done by the subject? The children are the subject and the subject are doing what? Playing. So it is the action. So the action part means what being done. What is being done or said about the subject is known as the predicate part, and the person or thing is being talked about is known as the subject part. So what we have discussed in short, again let's see. A subject has two parts, noun part, verb part. In noun part we know noun part is actually the person or thing which is talked about, is it? So it is known as subject, and other part that is known as verb part, it is predicate. What is being talked about the subject is known as the predicate. What is being talked about the subject is known as predicate. So this is the predicate part. So that is only this discussion, and over this we'll have lots of exercises. Okay, like exercise D, you see words are already given, subject and predicate part. Here what subjects are given or predicates also given. We have to choose, isn't? Like the first you see number 1, Rashi, subject is already there, so the predicate part we have to put. So keep it in mind, a predicate always carries the verb and a subject cannot be carry a verb. In the subject part you will not see any verb. You see the children are playing, here the children only the subject part. Here there is no sign of verb. After the verb or with the verb only the predicate part will start every time. Okay, so this is only. So Rashi threw a ball towards a wall. Threw a ball towards a wall. The dog ran with Rashi. Now see the predicate is there, subject is not there. So here the ball bounced towards the boundary wall and the dog ran to fetch the ball. Clear? This is only, already it's given, we have to just fill the blanks. Clear? First one again you just listen. Rashi threw a ball towards a wall. Second, the dog ran with Rashi and the ball bounced towards the boundary wall. The dog ran to fetch the ball. Up to this. The number 2 you see again the same thing. The children are making a sandcastle. See the picture. The children are making a sandcastle. They are on a beach. They are on a beach. By the picture we come to know they are making sandcastle and they are on a beach. The sea is blue and calm. By the picture we can understand. The waves are gently slapping against the sandy beach. So all are there in the box. Only from there we have to choose the subject and predicate part. Clear? Now the E is up to you. See, here subject and predicates are already there. You have to put by your own. Make sense. We have to keep it in mind. We have to complete the sentence. So by your own you will just put this subjects and predicate wherever it is necessary. Okay, this is your homework, exercise E. You will do homework. Clear? E, F, both the passages you will just complete by your own, because here one thing I will say, that is okay, but by your own you have to also put the subject and predicate. So exercise E, F will be your homework. Clear? Same thing up to this only, dear. Next we'll just discuss about the phrases. What is phrase and what is the difference between a sentence and a phrase? Okay, that we'll discuss in our next discussion. But up to this, just do exercise E and F. Up to this, you have to write also in the copy. Clear? So just revise this part. Again, I am telling in short, we have discussed about the parts of a sentence. There are two parts, that is noun part and the verb part, and we know that noun part is known as subject. It carries the person or thing is being talked about, and the thing is that other part is known as verb part, that is the predicate part. Predicate is actually what the actions is being talked about the subject. Clear? So this is only in short. Revise this part and complete the exercises. Okay, till then, thank you class.